It's Kelly Sonda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just gonna show you guys the overview of trades I'm currently on. So let me just go over to my trading view right now. So this is my trading view. Currently on EURUSD, right? Currently on EURUSD. So this trade I actually dropped it on the Telegram channel, both the VIP and the normal group. And as you can see, this is risking 20 pips to get 66 pips, right? And this trade is, let's say, 3:1 ratio, right? And this from the 15 minutes time frame. So basically people ask, how did you do this analysis and how do you take this trade and how did you make this money, right? But like, I normally teach this in my YouTube channel and I discuss about it always. But overall, let me go to my MT5 right away. So this is my MT5. Okay, this is my MT5. Okay, so this is a $200 deposit. I did this today, few hours ago. So this is a $200 deposit. I actually made 100% of this account, like within few minutes, because the analysis has already been moving. If I move straight to my photos right here, okay, let me show you guys. Okay, you can see. So this is when I was actually meant to just close, because it's making 100% of your account in a day is really great, right? But like, I just want to leave the trades to run. I've taken partial profits. If you see here, you see that it's only one trade that is running. So taking partial profit is always ideal in forex trading, right? So if you make profits, you take it out, you even withdraw to your bank account, because that is the main essence. Like, you can see my entry. And I also took this trade on my funded accounts, which I'll be talking about later. And this account also, I took this trade over here, right? These are just the screenshot, and this is a 200k funded account. As you can see, I made 1% anyway. That is $2,000. That is when I closed it. I just decided to make 1% today. And on my 20k account, I made it's not up to 1% actually. It's not up to 1% today. So this is basically it. And this trade, you can see my entry right here, right? So this trade, I actually posted it on the Telegram channel. Do well to actually join the Telegram channel if you haven't, right? So this is what, let me see if I can see when it was starting. Okay, I believe it was around there when the move was actually starting. So I actually called it, I posted it on the Telegram. Let me go to my Telegram right away. Okay guys, this is our Telegram channel. Okay, you can see, look at where it all started. Okay, I told them I'm watching EU. As you can see here, I'm currently watching EU, that is EURUSD, right? So like, when I entered initially, I actually posted it and showed everyone what I was actually doing, right? So basically, if you're not in this Telegram channel, do well to actually join, because I drop updates like this. And if you want to learn more, join our VIP group or learn how I see this trade or do my analysis, do well to actually contact me. Okay, you can contact me on WhatsApp or anywhere for you to actually join. You understand? So taking another profit up here is also ideal, right? Taking another partial here, because you don't have to wait for it to reach it. As price keeps going, because price is definitely going to go up, down. You understand? It can even come back to entry, right? So that is why taking partial profit is always ideal. But that is just a trade I took today, and that is what I want to show you guys. More videos will be coming your way. Okay, so do well to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, right? Yeah, thanks and bye bye.